What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening, depending where you're at or what time you're watching. It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook. Y'all read the title, man. This trading strategy is so easy. We rarely lose. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Ended the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. So as you can see right here, we're looking at GBP AUD. We took the sell position. Not only did we break this down during London session, but we took this position with the members during Tokyo session. This was a huge 1-to-6 risk to reward ratio. So that means whatever you risked, you made 6 times that amount. So if you risked $100, you made $600. If you risked $1,000, you made $6,000 off this one trade alone. So right here, here's the signal. You can see we entered this on April 8th. So if you go to GBP AUD at April 8th my bad, that was another sell we took. This is the sell we took. We've been taking GBP AUD sales, as you can see. So if you go to April 3rd, you'll see that at 8:35 p.m. EST, GBP AUD did indeed, in fact, drop to the downside. You see our entry right here was at 92.60, our SL was 92.85, and here's our TPs. You see the TPs getting hit, you see the reactions, and then this was the New York price watch list breaking down GBP AUD, as you can see, and what we can see price do in New York session, as well as other setups. Because again, we took this during Tokyo session and we rode this into we rode this into London session. As you can see here, this was when London session started right here. We took this at, you know what I'm saying? This was a 1230 candlestick where that huge drop occurred, and then you see price drop, and you can see this was the start of New York session at this drop. And again, go to this video, you can see that it looks very identical to that. So now we're going to break down why we took this setup and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So the first thing I always tell my members and students to do, as well as in the playbook course, is you want to identify the trend on the daily time frame. Again, we're not trading on the daily. I said we're identifying the trend on the daily. The reason why you want to identify the trend on the daily and why I'm emphasizing it so much is because that's how price moves. Price moves on a day-by-day, week-by-week, month-by-month basis. If you try to identify the trend on a smaller time frame, especially like the 5 minute, the 15, the 1 minute, the 15 second, you're not actually seeing the true trend. You're seeing what price is doing at that exact moment, which is important. But in order to take an educated position and a higher and a trade that'll give you a higher probability, you need to know what price is doing overall. Is it going up overall? Is it going down overall? Right? For example, when we look right here, this uptrend started at the beginning of January and it did not stop until the middle of January when we saw consolidation. So this entire 2 weeks, it would have been very wise to go for buys. So as we can see here, like I said, we was consolidating. So when price is consolidating, I do not like to take trades. So those that was watching, or members, we weren't trading GBP AUD for a very long time until price either breaks above or below the consolidation. In this case, price broke below the consolidation and was showing the signs of a reversal and possible downtrend. So once I saw that sign, as we can see here, that's when I decided to identify my key price levels and I watched to see if price could indeed, in fact, break that support level and treat it as a resistance. Because we can see right here, price is treating the level here as support. So we want to see if price can break this level and treat it as resistance. So boom, we got our key price levels marked off. So now this is when we go into the smaller time frame to wait for our confirmations. So again, price has been treating this level as a support. We need to wait for price to break it and treat it as a resistance so we can go for sales. So boom, at this point, when I saw a price doing this is when I sent the message to the members saying, going to be looking for possible AUD sales, and we'll be watching the JPY pairs. I said that at 7:12 p.m. As you can see, at 8:35 p.m. is when we went for the actual sell setup. So price broke this level. So now is the time I want to wait to see if it can hold as resistance. So as we can see, price broke and held that level as resistance. And again, we entered at 8:35. So at the 8:30 candlestick, which was this red one right here, before the drop, it was this red one before the drop. You see this red one was set 8:45. That's when we entered. And then again, 15 minutes, 10 minutes after that, price tanked and they continued to drop for London and New York session. The reason why I'm emphasizing this is because we didn't just catch a 5-minute move. We caught the direction price was going for the entire day. We caught the entire daily candlestick, meaning we caught all the possible pips. We literally entered here, and you can see when the new candlestick happened on the 4th, price literally went down the entire day, and we caught that wick as well. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on a free signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, or my signals, or my mentorship programs, go ahead and hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long, and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.